Morning everyone, today is Wednesday and it is the last week of New York Fashion Week. I mean, it is the last day of New York Fashion Week. It is, what time is it? It's 10 AM and I just finished a Pilates workout. Now making some yummy oatmeal breakfast with banana and some berries here. I am heading to a casting and after that I'm gonna go to Spring Studios and I have the Rosa Cha show, which is a big Brazilian brand. Some of you guys might know it. Yeah, so this is gonna be my last show of this week and I'm super excited. I'm also excited if Fashion Week is over because yeah, it is very crazy. Yeah, so follow me along today. I'm on the way to my casting right now and actually I can do it quick. I will show you guys quickly what I'm wearing. These jeans are from Redone. The only long jeans I have. This is like a super cozy cashmere sweater by Frankie Shop. A Topshop leather jacket. It's not that cool today, so I can wear it. These hoodies are from Another Stories.
Great.
Oh. And a shoe and shoes bag. It is just super simple for a casting, and yeah, I'm gonna walk in now, and then we're gonna go to the show. This is the makeup look of today. Super cute, like eyeshadow. Hey Robin, show me your makeup look. Work it. No, it's actually super pretty. Yeah, it's super mooi. I love it. Sorry guys, the vlog kind of changed into like a Dutch vlog. Sorry, my bad. Oh, I need makeup.
No, you're good.
I need makeup to wake up. So here we have my look. It's like a dress and like boobs. I love how they spell my name. So we are backstage right now and we are in lineup actually. You see there are there are a lot of girls and we're just doing a rehearsal, so we're just doing a walkthrough on the catwalk and see where we have to walk. Got done by the Rosa Cha show and it was actually a lot of fun. I saw a couple of my friends and yeah, it was a fun show to do. I'm gonna head to Soho right now and I'm gonna go to the Zimmerman store, pick out a look for tonight because there will be a Zimmerman dinner. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready and you guys can come with. So this is the outfit of today, all white without the date. And then I have this cute little bag with it. These shoes are Alexander Wang, Zimmerman, this one, and look who's there. Hi Bridget. So I just got home and I had such a lovely dinner. It was so nice to meet all new people and had lovely food and see the Australian Zimmerman family again. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time.